This is the most popular pasta sauce around the world, especially USA. It's called marinara sauce, also known as Neapolitan sauce. Oh yeah, you guys love it. I see restaurants and pasta sauce jars using the wrong ingredients for this, such as onion. You don't do that. Parsley, you don't do that. This is how you do it. Simplicity is best. A dish from Naples. I'm gonna use Napolitan ingredients. I'm gonna use a pasta from outside of Naples, and I'm gonna take you all the way to Naples, making the most simple pasta you can make. You can make it at home. Do not buy the jar ever again. This is for you. To make the marinara sauce, marinara, we need 2 small cans of top quality Italian peeled tomatoes, so 800 grams. We're gonna use 4 cloves of garlic. Please be generous. You wanna put 1 more? Okay. 1 less? It's okay. Fresh oregano, You can use dry, it's fine, but fresh is best. For my marinara, I chose spaghetti. You can use any pasta you like, but I think spaghetti is best. This is from Pastificio Liguori, just out of Naples. They use 100% Italian semolina from a trusted source, and the pasta is dried slowly, which means you get this beautiful rough texture. Absorb the sauce better. Always choose a very good pasta when you cook pasta. You pay an extra $1 and you get quality. The pasta is so important. It's probably 60% of this dish. So if the pasta is not good, you're not enjoying 60% of the meal that you're about to eat. You don't need to use basil. Basil is optional. I like to put basil in tomato sauce. This is completely up to you. Salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and lots of love. First thing we need to do is to get the peeled tomatoes and crush them. Yes, you can put them in a blender and gently blend them, but I like to use this utensil and crush them gently, just like that. They release such a beautiful smell. Beautiful. I know they are in a can, but I can smell freshness. It is important to buy good brand. So what we're trying to achieve here, we want to achieve a rustic look. So the marinara sauce needs to have a rustic look. That's what we're trying to achieve, okay? This is the kind of sauce that we want to get, okay? Rustic at its best. Okay, it's time to make the sauce. Be generous with extra virgin olive oil. We're talking about 5 tablespoons at least. Now the garlic. Americans love garlic, so go crazy, guys. This is your moment to shine. Here we go. We crush 4 garlics into the sauce. Here we crush 4 garlics in the oil. You want to get the best flavors from the garlic? Crush it. Oh, finally chop it. Ooh, the smell of garlic. Let's add a splash of water so we don't burn the garlic. Just about 2 tablespoons. This will avoid the garlic to burn. The smell of garlic is gone into my nostril. Oh. All right, if you have a look now at your garlic, the garlic is like golden. Change the color, see? We don't want to burn it. At this point, I believe we're ready to add the sauce. This is a very magical moment. Now you can add chili if you want. Not in the basic marinara, only if you like chili you add it now, but keep it plain, keep it simple. Let's just put the beautiful Italian peeled tomatoes. Look how nice it is. And as you do this, you use the spoon to squash it. Squash, squash, squash. But what they did in Naples, they used the same ingredients for the pizza topping, and they said, let's use it for spaghetti. It became the most popular sauce in USA. And you're about to find out why. Now what we do is we put the fire up on a medium heat, and at the moment, we're gonna put some oregano. Okay, so see this oregano? We're gonna put a little bit now, about 60% now. So what you do, you get the oregano, you hold it from the top, and then you go like this. See? You get all of them out. Same technique you use for the rosemary. Let's be generous with the salt. It's up to you to add pecorino parmigiano at the end, okay? But this should be salty. Should be salty, so be generous with the salt. Be generous with the pepper. Great. And from now, this sauce needs 10 to 20 minutes to cook. It's ready in no time, okay? You really want the freshness, okay? So it doesn't need too much. 10 minutes are done. So which means as we cook this, we can boil the spaghetti. All right, the water is boiling. We add 1 tablespoon of sea salt or rock salt. And now we put the pasta in. And in 8 minutes, spaghetti will be al dente. Now these spaghetti take only 8 minutes because they're like thin spaghetti, what everybody likes. If the spaghetti were thicker, it will take longer, of course. So guys, look at the sauce. Sauce is ready. The oregano is beautiful, gives nice flavor to this sauce. Look how nice it is. See, it's not watery, it's not runny. This is what we want. We're gonna add some pasta water after, so. See, there is no onion in there, it's just garlic, like you guys love it. Beautiful tomatoes, oregano. Now we switch off the stove and we add more oregano, fresh, right on top. The oregano that we don't want to burn or cook, damage. Just want the oregano to release the beautiful fresh flavors right at the end, okay? Now, I believe basil is important here, so I add more basil because I believe basil is important. I believe it's so important to give flavor to your sauce. See, my son agrees too. The spaghetti are almost ready. So this basil and the oregano will release more flavors to this beautiful marinara sauce. Simple dish. Please do not buy this sauce from the shop anymore. Do not waste your money. Make it yourself. Make it fresh. Make it tasty. Do you find this sexy, guys? Look at this. Look how sexy. Oh. A beautiful sauce is ready. So let's get some pasta water from the spaghetti because this pasta water is definitely needed, okay? To combine all our ingredients. Spaghettis are ready. Look how beautiful it is. Ah, nice and silky. Look at that. And they can go straight in the sauce. All right, let's get the beautiful spaghetti out and straight in the sauce. Just put it there. See the importance of using good spaghetti, guys. See how they are alive. Look how alive the spaghetti are. With the pasta water, isn't it? And here we go. You don't have to use half kilo pasta, you can use less if you want. To make sure you mix the pasta with the sauce. And this is the moment where we need a little bit of pasta water. Don't be scared of pasta water. The pasta will absorb it, okay? The pasta water will combine all the ingredients together. The pasta needs to absorb the sauce and needs to drink the water. When you use a good pasta brand, the pasta will absorb your beautiful sauce, and that's what you want, okay? Yeah, do some tossing. Okay, let's serve this beautiful pasta dish. To the bottom, and now we do the top part. Oh, nice and generous. Make sure you get the spoon to put a beautiful sauce on top. Let's add a little bit more basil. Let's add some more fresh oregano. Oregano is the main ingredient for this dish. A detail should not miss. Get it fresh, please. Now, do we need some grated pecorino or parmigiano on top? Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Why? Of course, it's always beautiful, but I'm gonna enjoy it as it is. I wanna enjoy the full flavors of the marinara this time. I want to remind myself the simplicity of a beautiful dish that makes everyone happy. Time to try these. Look how beautiful. Nice silky spaghetti, oregano, basil, peeled tomatoes, very rustic. Pasta is silky, the oregano is right there. Delicate and strong at the same time. I can smell it. The peeled tomatoes are beautiful. They're really, really nice tomatoes. Such a quick sauce. In less than 12 minutes, you can have a beautiful meal. The basil, the oregano just reminds me of freshness from my garden. Try to use fresh, please. You see the silkiness, how silky this is? That's how important to have a good quality pasta to mix with your ingredients. And the pasta water, again, did such a great job. It combined all the ingredients together. You see the pasta is not stuck together? Can you see? See that? It's not stuck together. The pasta is smooth. Guys, please write a comment below. Let me know what you think of this classic marinara sauce, huh? What do you think of it? Huh? Are you gonna make it? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. The most popular pasta sauce, marinara. Vincenzo's Plate. Ciao. Liguori Spaghetti. They've been from Liguori Pasti.